Hello everyone. So I believe it's time for my canvas. They should be ready, so let's just look. Okay, when I put it, oh, I forgot, but I believe it was like 21st. I think so, but I'm not sure. So it was like 10. Today we have 13, about 13 days. It gets more cloudy, as you can see, but it's supposed to be like that. Let's just take this one away. Let's grab one small out. Come on, show yourself. Okay, let's choose this one. They have some white stuff on it, but anyway, it will not kill me. It just doesn't look so nice. Anyway, that's the color. Big change, much more soft. Don't feel any salt anymore, but smell very sour. That's the inside look. No white spots anymore, so it means they are ready. So it's perfect. Still a little bit crunchy, but not salty anymore, only sour. Cool. I will stop fermentation on this stage. One more look. You see when I squeeze it, all this coming out. Perfect. So what I do now with this, I'll just prepare one glass jar. I don't know how much it has. 1 liter probably, or maybe more. Yeah, that could be 0.7 liter. And that's actually why I make such a small amount, because I don't want to fill my fridge with 10 jars of just cucumbers. Okay, so now I will just try to clean it up from all these veggies and just set it somehow in this jar. Now you can see there's like more of this white stuff, but no worry, it will come out. And if it stays, it's also not such a big deal. Nah, it smells very nice. Come on. And those part, I believe it's hardest one. No, come on. Set it, like squeeze them as more as possible to the one jar. Nice and tight packed. So another layer. was actually quite big pieces like for this recipe, but it's not a big deal as well. Okay, I think I have no more in here, only this herbs. So all this go out to my compost bin. And just grab the rest, squeeze it out a little bit. Okay, I feel no more big stuff here. Maybe just few tiny pieces of garlic. No, I think it's all. Most I just take out. And what I do next, just pour all these juices into this jar all the way up. Or maybe I try to squeeze this one somewhere deeper. Yeah, like that. There we go. No. Now I will just close it and put into the fridge or somewhere low temperature, about 5 degrees, not more. So fermentation will stop, all this gets clear out. Maybe it will be a little bit cloudy downstairs, but all this liquid gets transparent, and yeah, fermentation will stop. So let's go to the fridge, my friends. Okay, not much flats in this place in this one. Okay, I put it up, but I will not throw this one away, because first reason is I like it a lot. Second reason, it's very good for your digestion problems when you have something wrong with your stomach or something. You drink like a little bit of this. If you have diarrhea as well, you drink half of glass or something like that, and then it's helping you a lot. And it's very refreshing at the hot days. Cool. I love it. Just need to find one more jar, and I as well just drop it into the fridge and just save it for later, but it will be probably gone in, I don't know, few days, because I do really like it. Okay, so guys, so I will enjoy my cucumbers and my juices, and you have see all the process, so you can just make it one for yourself. So take care and thanks for watching, and try that, it's really good.